Hello bakers! Today we are decorating Scooby-Doo cookies! I am Sophia the Hobbit. Design it, 3D print it, bake it, now it's time for decorating! I used a projector and food marker to get an outline onto the cookies. Then I outlined the outline with royal icing at a thicker consistency. Count was about a 20. If you are learning about cookies and royal icing, check out my other videos for the recipes. Links are below. Flood these cookies with the right colors and try not to go over the black lines. It's no big deal if you do. Yay! It's time for the van! Remember, all my cookie cutter 3D files are free! So you can print them yourself. What? Make your own cookie cutters? The links are below. There were a lot of colors in these cookies. The hardest for me was the skin tone, half a drop of pink and a drop of yellow with some white food coloring. For Scooby-Doo, I used a drop of brown with 1 drop of red. To get into these small cracks, just put a blob of icing down and use the stylus to push it in there. Also, keep the tip of the bag, especially for the skin tone, a little small. It may be a pain to get all the frosting out, but it definitely helps get into the tighter places. Oh, Daphne, these lips are just... lol. Oh well. Velma was my favorite. Her hair was a slightly redder brown than Scooby. Also, her glasses lenses were a very, very light blue. Remember, 3D printers are getting more and more popular. If you have one, or your friend has one, you can print these cookie cutters for free. Scooby-Doo parties are already expensive. Save some money. Make your own cookie cutters.
Like Zoink Scoop, you killed Scrappy. Really?
Shout out to my friend, 2 Girls 1 Games, streaming on Twitch. Her live streams are a blast, and she's a very wonderful, amazing, loving person.
Frankie's here, finally!
Comment below if you have any questions. Thank you for watching.
Have to do this first, or you can't come back. So that's what I'm about to do. We're getting there. I'm getting there. I want this out there and working, and it's fun. I enjoy this.